What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So, the monster of autonomy with all new Samsung Galaxy M31s finally goes on sale. Coming in the video, Samsung Galaxy M31s unboxing and introduction video including smartphone features, design, specs, battery, price and other parameters of the budget phone. Please watch full video content. The phone has a 6000 mAh rechargeable battery fast charging. Samsung is started sales of the Galaxy M31s smartphone, which will compete with Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Realme 6 Pro. The first country where a smartphone appeared was India. The smartphone has received a 6.5 inches AMOLED screen and an Exynos 9611 SoC. There is a slot for micro SD memory cards. Out of the box, the smartphone runs the Android 10 operating system with One UI 2.1 graphical shell. The Galaxy M31s comes with a 25-watt fast charger and USB-C cable. The phone has a rechargeable battery with the capacity of 6000 mAh. The 25 watts fast charger can fully charge. The 25 watts charger can fully charge your smartphone in 97 minutes. It is the first smartphone to feature the new 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor and an f1.8 aperture lens. The previous model used the Samsung GW1 sensor. The main module is complemented by an ultra-wide-angle camera 123 degrees and two 5 megapixel sensors for shooting macro and adding depth of the scene. The front camera is 32 megapixels. The main sensor called IntelliCam that offers advanced photography capabilities with one take, allowing you to take up to 7 photos and 3 videos at the push of a button. Among other camera features, it is worth highlighting the ability to switch between the front and rear cameras during video shooting, separate night shooting and night hyperlapse modes, AR doodle, AR emoji, 4K video recording and much more. Samsung Galaxy M31s supports face and fingerprint unlocking. There is a support for 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB-C and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's talk about the prices. The version with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of flash memory is offered for $260. For 8 and 128GB of memory, they ask for $287. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.